she's still there, just like I planned. A steady thorn in the palm of your hand. I've taken your joy, I've bled you dry, turned your smile to a weary sight. The hobbies you love, they're changed now, son. The job you liked, I've made it run. Like you're pushing stone up a hill all day. No rest, no breath, no light, no play. I'm turning the screws, I'm closing it. You'll break before I'm done with sin. Every step you take, I'm there ahead. I'll fill your nights with the things you dread. Hey! I've worked the cracks in the ties you keep, left you staring at walls in your sleep. There's dreams that help you stay afloat. I can make them cut your throat. I'll turn their smiles into something sly, twist their help into reasons why you start to question the ground you stand. 'Cause nothing's safe from my hand. I'm turning the screws, I'm closing in. You'll break before I'm done with sin. Every step you take, I'm there ahead. I'll fill your nights with the things you dread. I thought you'd fall by now, it's true, but I've still got work to do on you. If the fire won't burn, I'll stoke the coal. I'll take what's left of your ragged soul. I'll keep your hands tied, your spirit sore, make you wish you could fight no more. If I can't kill the faith you own, I'll make you live it.